What is up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my humble channel. Sanbonani. Hello. I've changed. Kuyemore. Yeah, I think I said. Oh, Molweni. Yeah. That's Tosa. Yeah, that's Tosa. I think I said all the languages I know. So yeah. We're back again with another banger. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. If you're new to my channel, make sure you pause this video right now. Rush to that subscribe button, smash that like button, leave a comment. Not yet, but you can write whatever you want. You can also leave a comment. Yeah. Without any further ado, we're gonna be checking out Uncle learning a lesson. We're reacting to MDM sketch comedy as usual. I've got a whole playlist about his reactions, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, without wasting much more of your time, everybody, let's get into this video. Yeah. The nigga is still in the taxi. And the last episode was on the taxi. He's still in the taxi.
My brad, nithatha please igoes RPM. Zithengwa fit nathi itech.
Mangijwayela yes.
Okay.
Ngivele kukhahlele mina manje.
Angizoshayelwa nike manje ngoba phela ngishilo ngathi okay. Ushuthi ngizwile. Yazi nangihleli ngikuzo please. Nithatha please igoes RPM.
Yebo.
Eu umuntu ngibele lamagusheshe itengisi. Amhlezi baka phambili. Akanzi lutho.
No love.
Kalo wena yonke lento manje. Thula futhi thula.
Awahle themba lamahumusho kusabisa omunye lapho.
Yabona ukuthi ngesikole, yabona. Yawehla khona empanweni ngizokwehla nawe. Wehla khona uzobona.
Oh, come on, bro. Ngesikole nje.
Uthini? Ubese ubhuti wabantu ngesikora. Ukwenzela ubhuti yokusubiza ngesikora nje. Ukwenzela ubhuti. Baba ubiza baba ngesikora.
Hayibo, ungalewe emotweni yami lapha. Angalewe emotweni.
Stop the car, let the niggas fight.
La wehla khona baba ngihla nawe.
Hey.
Yabuza ukuthi ngishayela uzobona nami ngapha uzobona manje uzobona.
A nigga's gonna miss his stop.
So my brother, ngicela manje sishintana ngendawo yokuhlala.
Mfethu, ngicela ungangifaka enkingeni zenu. Yabo umuntu ophila.
Akafuna ukugaxela. Hey.
Hayi ngiyavivini. Hayi ngiyathetha.
Ngiyavivini. Yo.
Hello makasibasha.
That mama is big. Did you see that?
Ngisetheksini ebuya emsebenzini.
Umsebenzi okunuka manje. Umsebenzi angisho ukuthi Jan samhlanje uqala ukuphuma emsebenzini ngoba manje uzofika ko David package. Angisho.
Baba bambefoni ungaphiki nathi sobe singekho mase kushitha leli manje.
Thula.
Okay.
You gonna get it. Oh hell no. Ain't no woman will ever talk to me like that. Never. Unless it's my mom.
Hello.
Let's make that clear.
Njengoba ngihliza lebafana ababili.
Awuthola uzohlana.
Nabo abafana behamba ngenze njani? Ngalandela. Ngicofisa khona la, ngicofisa khona la.
Follow them.
I'll say Ehli la ngehla khona.
Bona wena. Uyabona wena. Usodlo.
Mthandeni is always putting himself in trouble.
Sibari kuzomela ufunde ukwazi ukuyimela. Umkhulu kabi ukuthi ungayigwala lo. Awu, mamalu, kanti wena lo. Sibari akekho umuntu othanda ukula. Uthi nje kumele uma ukhuluma ube ne-show ukhombisa ukuthi une-authority. Akho umuntu okuthatha kancane.
Yeah.
Babi weak Sibari.
Facts.
Oh hayi. Ngiyabonga Sibari. Bambe kanjalo nje Sibari akho umuntu oyokugulisha lapho.
Naso ngabe yikho lapho Mthandeni bro.
Awume Sibari, why uhamba ngamateksi? Iphi imoto yakho kanti?
Sizoshayeka ke manje.
Hayi Sibari asibona abangani kumina lo. Aw. Yes. Hayi okay Sibari. Yabo Sibari mara ungasho kini ukuthi ungibonile la eTaxi. Oh yes. Yebo ke.
Why does
About to
everything
get
have to
lapis
resort
to
to violence? Why?
Wena Sibari uma washo kini ukuthi ungibonile la emateksini.
Ngizokubona
Sibari ngizokubonye. Okay. Awusho. Wena ngicela indaba wonke umuntu ukuthembisa induku wenze njani?
Uzoshawa wena ke manje.
Angijwayele wena yes. Angijwayele yes. Kahle, angijwayele ngeke ungana.
Yeah.
Zokushaya hard mina yes. Hard. Wow.
Finally boss.
Yebo futhi.
Yeah.
Sikhona.
The niggas in trouble.
Kwazise la ukuthi kunomuntu othi ufuna ukungishaya kabukabi la. Ngiseteksini ngiyamkhize 501. Angithi 501 drive.
Now would be an appropriate time to play that clip where they say that's when he knew he fucked up. That's when the nigga knew he fucked up. He put himself in trouble.
Yona. Lama karawasha. La manje ngahlala manje la.
Oh, flip. Run, nigga, run. Run. Yeah. Well, what can I say? This nigga never failed to make me laugh. I mean, you also laughed. I'm sure I'm not the only one who laughed throughout this video. Come on, boy. Don't play with me. Yeah. It looks like we've come to the end of this banger again. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button right now. You know what I'm saying? Jokes, but please make sure you leave a like, leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? Share my content if you wanna. You know, everything is good. Even if you didn't like the video, you can still like the video. You know, you can still subscribe to my channel. Yeah, it's been your one and only Prince. It's been your boy. Peace.